Alrighty. So far, so good?
So far, so
Oh,
great.
there's 2 ropes on there. We don't need 2.
I know, we just...
Don't be greedy.
Where'd you
haven't
say
got
the
time.
swing is from?
The swing. When's it from?
Where?
It? It's from
Where?
Timu.
Queenstown, New
Of course it
Zealand.
is.
It's of course it is.
Oh.
I thought that was going. Alright, let's get the Timu knife as well. I did have a chef's knife, but I'm not allowed to talk about it
Down to
actually.
Timu.
Alright.
You cut the wrong rope once.
Yeah, let's not talk about it.
Oh my
Let's talk
gosh.
about better things. Oh yes, you want a fast one or a slow one? Fast?
Oh,
3, 2, 1? No, that'd be too easy. Let's chill this out. I'll show you some knife skills.
You're so mean.
Oh, I'm here to help, dude.
Oh, no.
You're right. Okay, I'm a bit rusty.
Just cut it. Just cut it.
Nice.
Just cut it, man. Just cut it. Oh.
I don't think so. Do we?
Shorter?
Do you want it shorter? Do we want it longer?
Please
I
just
don't know. These are all questions for
Oh
later.
my
Archer.
gosh.
These are later problems. Don't. It's moving. Oh, it's moving.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh. I'm not playing. That might be the scariest thing I've ever done.
Camera. We've got our own cameras out here. All right.
I'd like a big push, please.
You'd like a big push? We can do that. Would you like a countdown as well?
No.
No. Okay.
Ah!